Hello, in this video, I'll be sharing my workflow project progress update. So I have successfully built the front-end authentication. Let's test it by creating a new user. So username Jane Smith and email jane.smith@gmail.com. And let's say password 123456. So it will so user register successfully, and we can check how our request goes. So we get we send the payload data, email, name and password, and we get the user registered successfully with registered user response. So we can see our user created successfully. Now we can try to log in our user, and also if we try to, it will say name, the password as required. So we can note add user without filling the details. So janesmith@gmail.com, and I will put the password here 123456, and yeah, it's login successfully and it show the authenticated user. And also we send the payload email and password, and it will receive a token, JWT token. And here we make the when we try to log in, it send us JWT token, and after getting the JWT token, it will redirect it to the dashboard because our user authenticated successfully. Let's see. If our user did put the correct email and password, so it will not redirected to the dashboard. And Jane Smith and people with like it's so invalid credential, and if we correct the credential, it okay. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, we are in the dashboard, and if we click on the logout button, it will remove our token from the local storage and redirect to the login page and show a toast message logout successfully. Let's how explore the code how I implemented these functionality. So this is my sign up page I have created. I handle the use state here, and I handle the user. Okay, let's start with the sign up page. So this is my sign up page, and it have the new user with their details, and this is the input change handle function I made. So form submit, it the submit button when click, and it our dispatch this dispatch the function with new user details, and if we get the response correctly, it will also check user fill the all the input, and after that it dispatch the actions, and here we check the server status, server response. If server fail status fails, so it show the error to the UI, and if success, so it will not necessary here, and post user successfully, user register successfully and log navigate to the login and dispatch a reset the status, and have login page also have the similar type of functionality I have implemented, and this is the private route I have implemented. I extract the token from the local storage. If token is present, it will be redirected to the authenticated pages. Otherwise, it will redirect us to the navigate. And how I store the token? I have stored the token in auth slice, and so there is the token. I get the token from the local storage, and if not get, if token undefined, it show us null value. And here I have set the token here. So when login successfully, we receive the token in action.payload and set the token in local storage, and also set the authentic is authenticated to true, because when I log in, it will hide the login and sign up button from the dashboard. And these are reducer I have made for the one for to reset the status, and one is for when user is log out, it will remove the token from the local storage and set the is authenticated to false. What's other functionality made? Okay, that's how app.js. So I wrap the dashboard to the with the private route and receive it as a children props and pass it here. So let's see how Jane Smith and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I log in, it will hide, it will make the state is authenticated. Yeah, this one to state is authenticated. State dot is authenticated. By default, it was false. And if I log in, it will set it to true. But for I want this key. If user on the dashboard, it will hide the login and sign up button. So I have used the negation operator that will transform the is authenticated to true to false. So it will hide the login and sign up.